pero right now, ang huling computation namin nasa mga 79 billion.
Not 180?
Yung 180 extrapolation yon based on the 420 plus another 250. But yung DPWH submitted to the Blue Ribbon Committee an updated report. Actually lumalabas parang 494 ang total.
No.
Not 600 plus. 494 ghost projects out of 13,000 projects. Kung i-extrapolate natin sa 30,000 plus na flood control projects, nasa 79 billion, still huge, ano?
Opo.
Considering na we're talking of yung naabot ng AMLAC so far, as announced by the President, nasa mga 12 billion pa lamang yung pros and accounts. And then si Alcantara, nag-restitute ng so far 110 million, plus another 200 million in 2 weeks time. Si Bernardo, I don't know, parang ang estimate ko at least 1 billion.